student, this is Gyanis Dixit. Now I am starting exercise 6.6 triangles. So first question is, in the given figure AD is the bisector of angle BAC and we have to prove AB upon AC equals to BD upon DC. So for this proof, see the students, here ABC is a triangle, AD is the bisector of this angle, that means these angles are equal. Clear? Now for this we draw a line CE to parallel to line DA. DA के parallel line CE draw की which is meeting on producing BA at E. Clear? Now proof. Since AD is the bisector of angle BAC, so angle BAD equals to angle DAC. Angle BAD equals to angle DAC. These two angles are equal. Now we assume it equation 1. After this, since CE parallel to DA by construction, we draw these lines are parallel. So angle BAD equals to angle AEC. Angle BAD equals to angle AEC. These are corresponding angles. Clear? Next one is, these are corresponding angles. Now next is angle DAC equals to angle ACE. Angle DAC and angle ACE, these are alternate interior angles. This is equation 3. Now from equation 1, 2, 3, we can write angle AEC equals to angle ACE. How? Since in equation 1 angle BAD equals to DAC and these two angles are here in LHS, that means these two are equal, so both LHS are equal, that means we will get RHS are equal. So now if these two angles are equal, then their opposite sides are equal, so AE equals to AC. Since sides opposite to equal angles are equal, since these two angles E and C are equal, so their opposite sides AE and AC are equal. Now in triangle BEC, CE parallel to DA. In this triangle BEC, whole triangle mein, DA is parallel to CE, then by BPT we can write AB upon AE equals to BD upon DC. Now in the place of AE we can put AC from equation 4. So from equation 4 we put in the place of AE AC. So we will get AB upon AC equals to BD upon DC. Now move to question number 2. Second question is, in the given figure D is a point on the hypotenuse AC of a triangle ABC. AC hypotenuse पे point D है of triangle ABC such that BD perpendicular AC and DM perpendicular BC and DN perpendicular AB. Prove that first part is dm square equals to dn into mc, second part dn square equals to dm into an, and third part, no, only two parts are there. Now given in ABC is a right triangle, BD perpendicular AC, DM perpendicular BC and DN perpendicular AB. These three are perpendiculars and ABC means angle B is also 90. These two are to prove. Now proof. In quadrilateral MB and D, एम बी एंड डी, इस क्वाड्रिलेटरल में एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी यूज़ किया, तो एंगल डी एम बी दिस वन प्लस एंगल एम बी एन दिस वन प्लस एंगल बी एन डी दिस वन प्लस एंगल दिस वन, दैट इज एन डी एम इक्वल्स टू 360 बाई एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ क्वाड्रिलेटरल. नाउ डी एम बी इज 90, एंगल एम बी एन इज ऑल्सो 90, एंगल बी एन डी इज ऑल्सो 90 एंड दिस एंगल वी हैव टू फाइंड. So on separating, if we separate this NDM, so 90 plus 90 180 plus 90 270, it is subtracted from 360, then we will get 90 degree. Now MB and D is a rectangle, all angles are 90, so it is rectangle. Clear? Now DM equals to BN, its opposite sides are equal, and same MB equals to DM. This is equation 1 we assume. Clear? Now after this we draw two triangles, this one triangle DMC and triangle DMB separately draw here. So and we assume these angles x, y and z. So first one, x plus y equals to 90. See here, x plus y, this angle plus angle m, that is 90 equals to 180 by angle sum property. So here we separate x. अगर हम x को separate करेंगे तो y इधर माइनस में आ जाएगा, means x equals to 90 also subtracted, so 180 minus 90 is 90 and y also subtracted, so 90 minus y. Now in triangle BDC, जो angle BDC है, that is angle BDC, this angle is 90 because it is given that BD perpendicular AC. Clear? And this angle is sum of y plus z, so we wrote here y plus z equals to 90. Now we separate here z, then 90 minus y. So from equation 2 and 3 both RHS are equal, then their LHS should be equal, so x equal to z. Clear? Now we draw these two triangles separately. So in these two triangles both angle m is 90, so we put here, and x equals to z, we put here, x is angle C and here z is angle D. Now here left D and here left B. So now in triangle DMC and triangle BMD we prove these two triangles congruent. How? Since angle DMC equals to angle BMD, these are 90 degree, and x equals to z we proved here in equation 4, we can assume it 4 also. So now after this These triangles are similar by angle similarity. Now we can write CPST, corresponding parts of similar triangles. So here DM upon BM, DM perpendiculars, DM upon BM equals to MC, this one base upon DM, this one base. Now cross multiply. No, firstly we change BM to DN. Here in equation 1 we proved DN equals to BM, so we convert BM to DN. Now cross multiply, so DM into DM, that is DM square equals to DN into MC. This is proved, first part. Now for second part, in triangle A and D, here we assume this angle A and this one B, and this is 90 degree, so this sum is 180 degree. So A plus B plus 90 equals to 180, then A plus B equals to 90. Now we separate A, so that is 90 minus B. Now angle ADB equals to B plus C. Here this one angle ADB, and this is B plus C, and it is also equal to 90 degree because BD perpendicular on AC. Clear? So this is 90 degree. Now here we separate C, so it will be subtracted, B subtracted. Now we will get C equals to 90 minus B. This is equation 5. So from equation 4 and 5 we can write A equals to C, that is equation 6. Now in triangle DNA and triangle BND, this one, again we draw same separate triangles. So here in both triangles angle N is 90 and angle A and angle C are equal, we proved in equation 6. So now in these triangles angle DNA equals to angle BND, these angles 90 degree, and angle A equals to angle C, this is also given in equation 6, we proved here. So triangles are similar by angle similarity. Now we can write CPST, corresponding parts of similar triangles. So here DN upon BN, DN this one perpendicular equals to AN upon DN, this one base. Now we can change for BN DM, BN को DM में convert कर सकते हैं. In equation 1 we proved DM equals to BN. So BN की जगह पे DM plus के प्लेस कर दिया. Now cross multiply, DN square equals to DM into AN. This is proved, second part also. Now for question third. In third question, I am studying question, reading the question. In the given figure, ABC is a triangle in which angle ABC is greater than 90. The angle ABC, this one, this angle is greater than 90. That means this triangle is obtuse angle triangle. Now, and AD perpendicular CB produced, AD perpendicular on CB produced, clear, CB produced किया तो वहाँ पे AD perpendicular आ गया. Prove that AC square equals to AB square plus BC square plus 2BC into BD. So given 90 degree greater than ABC greater than 90 and AD perpendicular CD. Now in right triangle ADC and ADB, ADC and ADB, these two are right triangles, so we are using by Pythagoras theorem. So in triangle ADC, that is AC square hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square, that is AD square, plus base square, that is DC square. Same here for ADB, AB square equals to AD square plus DB square. Now we subtract these equations, so we will get AC square minus AB square equals to AD square plus DC square minus AD square and minus DB square. So here AD square cancelled. Now we will get DC square minus DB square. So for DC square we can change, DC को हम break कर सकते हैं DB plus BC. So DB plus BC whole square. Now it's whole square using identity A plus B whole square. So A square means DB square plus BC square, DB square plus BC square plus 2DB into BC minus DB square. So DB square is cancelled here. Now AB square transferred here, AB square plus BC square plus 2, BC को पहले लिख दिया और DB को BD कर दिया, no problem. So this is completed. Now question number 4. In the given figure, ABC is a triangle in which angle ABC less than 90 degree means acute angle triangle है and AD perpendicular BC. Prove that AC square equals to AB square plus BC square minus 2BC into BD. So again same in right triangle ADC and ADB, there are two right triangles, this one ADC, this one ADB. So in these two triangles we are using Pythagoras theorem. So in this triangle AC square equals to AD square plus CD square. Now in this one triangle ADB, AB square equals to AD square plus BD square. Now same on subtracting, AC square minus AB square equals to AD square plus CD square minus AD square minus BD square. AD square is cancelled. Now for CD square we can write CD this one, so we can write it BC minus BD. So BC minus BD whole square. Now use the identity A minus B whole square. So A square means BC square plus B square, that is BD square minus 2AB, so 2BC into BD and minus BD square. Here BD square is cancelled. This AB square transferred to RHS, so it will be plus, so AB square plus BC square minus 2BC into BD. This is question 4th. Now move to question 5. Fifth question is, in the given figure AD is a median of triangle ABC. Here AD is a median, that means BD and CD are equal. D is a midpoint. and AM perpendicular BC. AM is perpendicular on BC. Then prove that these are three parts. AC square equal to AD square plus BC into DM plus BC upon 2 whole square. Same here second and third. Now to prove these triangles, these parts, firstly, since AD is a median of triangle ABC, AD is a median, so D is a midpoint of BC. Then we can write BD equal to CD. BD and CD both are equal, and it is equal to half of BC. Clear? Now in right triangles, we have to prove these three parts. So for this, there are three right triangles. So in right triangles, AMC and triangle AMB and triangle AMD. इन तीनों ट्राइंगल्स में हमने पाइथागोरस थ्योरम यूज़ किया. सो फर्स्ट ट्राइंगल AMC, दैट इज AC स्क्वायर इक्वल टू AM स्क्वायर प्लस CM स्क्वायर. देखिए AC स्क्वायर, दिस वन इक्वल्स टू AM स्क्वायर प्लस MC स्क्वायर या CM स्क्वायर. नाउ इन ट्राइंगल AMB, दैट इज AB स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू AM स्क्वायर प्लस BM स्क्वायर. नाउ इन ट्राइंगल AMD, दैट इज AD स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू AM स्क्वायर प्लस DM स्क्वायर. क्लियर? नाउ in first part we have to prove AC square only ना. So we are subtracting equation 4 from equation 2. Second से fourth को minus करना है. So AC square minus AD square equals to AM square plus CM square minus AM square minus DM square. Now here AM square is cancelled. Now for CM square we can write CD plus DM. How it is? See now CM, this one distance, so we can write it CD plus DM. Break कर लिया. Now use whole square. So A plus B whole square, that is A square. So it is CD square plus DM square plus 2CD into DM and minus DM square. This AD square is a minus sign, so we transfer to RHS, then it will be plus sign. Now AC square equals to AD square. Here DM square is cancelled. Now AD square plus CD. In the place of CD we can put BC upon 2. In equation 1 we proved BD and CD both are equal to BC upon 2. So we change here BC upon 2 whole square plus 2 CD के place पे again BC upon 2 into DM. Clear? 2 से 2 cancel. Now AD square, this term we put here in middle BC into DM and plus this is last BC upon 2 whole square. This is proved, first part proved, okay, and we assume it equation 5. Now on subtracting equation 4, here from here we start second part, it is first part, okay. Now on subtracting equation 4 from equation 3, अब 3 में से 4 को माइनस करना है. तो AB स्क्वायर माइनस AD स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू AM स्क्वायर प्लस BM स्क्वायर माइनस AM स्क्वायर माइनस DM स्क्वायर. सी नो, सो AM स्क्वायर कैंसिल्ड. Now for BM square we can convert BD minus DM. See the diagram, BM, this one BM, so we can write BD minus DM. Clear? Now BD minus DM. Now again same, AD square here is minus sign, transfer to RHS, so it will be plus sign. Now use the identity A minus B whole square, so BD square plus DM square minus 2BD into DM and minus DM square. Now DM square is cancelled, so here AD square, in the place of BD we can put BC upon 2. Clear? From equation 1. And here plus 2 into, in the place of BD again BC upon 2 into DM. Clear? 2 से 2 cancel. Now AD square minus BC into DM we put here middle term, and this one to last, it is BC upon 2 whole square. This is second part completed. Now it is equation 6 assumed. Now for third part we have to add equation 5 and 6 because we have to find AC square plus AB square. So in fifth we found AC square, in sixth we found AB square. So we add it, equals to AD square plus BC DM plus BC upon 2 whole square. Clear? First equation, fifth हो गई. Now 6 AD square minus BC into DM and plus BC upon 2 whole square. Now BC into DM both are cancelled. Now AD square plus AD square, that is 2AD square. BC upon 2 whole square expanded, so BC square upon 2 square is 4 plus again BC square upon 4. Now to calcium 4, so it is BC square plus BC square, then it will be 2BC square upon 4. 2 से cancel 4, so it is 2. Now 2AD square plus BC square upon 2. This is third part completed. Okay. Now move to question number 6. So sixth question is, I am reading question 6 here. Prove that the sum of the squares of the diagonals of a parallelogram is equal to the sum of the squares of its sides. There is a parallelogram ABCD. We assume ABCD is a parallelogram. To prove sum of the squares of diagonals, so AC square plus BD square equal to the sum of squares of their sides. So AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus AD square. Clear? Now for this we draw DM perpendicular on AC. AC साइड पे एक परपेंडिकुलर DM ड्रॉ किया और अब हमने ट्राइंगल DAC को सेपरेट ड्रॉ कर लिया. DAC को here DM is perpendicular on AC and DO is the median because diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Clear? So O is the midpoint. So now since ABCD is a parallelogram, so OA equals to OC equals to AC upon 2. OA, this one, equal to OC, that is AC upon 2. Same here, OB equal to OD equals to BD upon 2. Since diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other, and AB equal to CD, opposite sides of parallelogram are equal, and ED equal to BC also. Now write triangle DMA, DMC and DMO. Again it is same as question number 5. So here triangle DMA. Now DMA इस triangle में Pythagoras theorem use करेंगे. So AD square equals to AM square plus DM square. Now in this one triangle DMC, so hypotenuse CD, so CD square equals to DM square plus CM square. Now in triangle DMO, so it is OD square equals to OM square plus DM square. Clear? Now difference in question 5 and 6. In question 5 there are 3 parts. In first part we have to find only one side square, and in another, that is second side square, and in third part we have to add both the parts. But here we are adding directly both the parts because we have to add all sides squares. Okay, so we are adding equation, which one? Third and fourth. So on adding equation 3 and 4. Here from this equation we separate dm square. परपेंडिकुलर को सेपरेट कर लिया क्योंकि दोनों में परपेंडिकुलर आ रहा है डीएम स्क्वायर, तो इसकी वैल्यू पुट करनी होगी. तो डीएम स्क्वायर को सेपरेट किया, ओएम स्क्वायर ट्रांसफर टू आर लेफ्ट साइड, दैट इज माइनस. नाउ एडी स्क्वायर प्लस सी डी स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू एम स्क्वायर प्लस डीएम स्क्वायर, एम स्क्वायर प्लस सी एम स्क्वायर वी पुट हियर, नो प्रॉब्लम, एनी हाउ यू कैन राइट. सो एम स्क्वायर प्लस सी एम स्क्वायर प्लस डीएम स्क्वायर प्लस dm square. Now it will be 2dm square. Now for am we can convert oa minus om. See this am this one side, so we can write it oa wholes this one side minus om. Clear? Same here for cm this total side, so we can write oc plus om whole square plus 2dm square. Now use the identity a minus b whole square. So oa square plus om square minus 2ab, so 2oa into om. Now a plus b whole square, so oc square plus om square plus 2ab, that is 2oc into om, and plus 2dm square. So for dm square we put value from equation 5, that is od square minus om square from equation 5. Now oa square plus om square, this one and this one also om square, that means 2om square, minus 2oa into om plus oc square plus 2oc into om and plus 2od square minus 2om square. Clear? This one 2om square. Now oa, in the place of oa we put ac upon 2. Here we wrote here oa equals to ac upon 2, oc also ac upon 2. So in the place of oa ac upon 2 plus this one is cancelled, so minus 2, in the place of oa we put ac upon 2 into om as it is, plus oc is also ac upon 2. Here oc is also ac upon 2 whole square plus 2, in the place of oc again ac upon 2 into om plus 2 od, in the place of od we can put bd upon 2. Here od is also bd upon 2 and minus 2 om square, it is cancelled. Okay, so 2 bd upon 2 whole square. Now so solve this. AC square upon 2 square is 4, minus 2 cancel, so it is minus AC into m plus AC square upon 4 again, plus 2 cancel, so it is AC into om and plus 2 BD square upon 4. Now here AC into om cancelled. Now we took LCM here, 4 LCM, so 2 AC square upon 4 plus it is 2 BD square upon 4, 2 से cancel कर दिया, so upon में 2 AC square upon 2 plus BD square upon 2. Now took LCM, so 2, it is AC square plus BD square, 2 transferred here in multiply in LHS, so it is 2AD square plus CD, 2CD square. Now for 2AD square we can write here AD square plus AD square, दो बार break कर लिया, same 2CD square को break किया, CD square plus CD square equal to same. Now in for first is AD we can put here BC. Here the sides of opposite sides of parallelogram are equal, so AD equals to BC and AB equal to CD. So same here, in one CD we change in AB. Now we wrote here AB square plus BC square this one प्लस सी डी स्क्वायर दिस वन प्लस ए डी स्क्वायर दिस वन, एक ऑर्डर में लिख लिया जो प्रूफ करना था, इक्वल टू ए सी स्क्वायर प्लस बी डी स्क्वायर. नाउ मूव टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. सो सेवंथ क्वेश्चन इज इन द एडजॉइनिंग फिगर टू कॉर्ड्स ए बी एंड सी डी इंटरसेक्ट्स ईच अदर एट द पॉइंट पी. पी पे इंटरसेक्ट कर रहे हैं, दो कॉर्ड हैं ए सी और बी डी. ए बी और सी डी दो कॉर्ड हैं, ए बी और सी डी इंटरसेक्ट कर रहे हैं पी पॉइंट पे. प्रूव दैट ट्राइंगल ए पी सी दिस वन कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू सिमिलर टू ट्राइंगल डी पी बी दिस वन. And second part is AP into PB equals to CP into DP. So for this, firstly we draw these two triangles separately. Here APC and BPD. So how? Angle P, this one is vertically opposite, so we put P at the right corner, and angle A, this one angle A equals to angle D. How? CB is a chord, and on this chord there are two angles CAB and angle CDB, both are equal. Clear? So here firstly in triangle APC and triangle DPB, angle APC equals to angle DPB, angle APC equals to angle DPB, it is vertically opposite angle. Now angle CAP equals to angle BDP, angle CAP equals to angle BDP, and these are angles in the same segment, clear, are equal. In 9th class you studied this theorem. So here in triangle Therefore, triangle APC similar to triangle DPB by angle similarity. Now by CPST, we can write the ratio of their corresponding sides. So AP upon DP here, AP this one right side equals to upon DP equal to CP this one base upon BP. Clear? Now cross multiply. So AP into PB equals to CP into DP. Now move to question 8, which is in the given figure, two chords AB and CD of the circle intersect each other at the point P when produced outside the circle. Prove that triangle PAC is similar to triangle PDB and PA into PB equals to PC into PD. So here, see now, given AB and CD are two chords, AB and CD are two chords of a circle intersect at P on producing. देखिए अगर हम उस साइड प्रोड्यूस करेंगे तो ये इंटरसेक्ट नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि इधर क्या हो रहा है, स्ट्रेचिंग हो रही है, ठीक है, इधर आके कॉन्टैक्ट हो रहा है, तो इधर इस साइड लेफ्ट साइड में मिलेगा आके P पॉइंट पे. Clear? Now we have to prove these parts. So first we assume this one angle x, this one y and this one z. So here we need, so see that x plus y equals to 180, it is by linear pair angles. So if we separate x, so y goes to RHS, then it will be subtracted from 180. So x equals to 180 minus y. Now we see y plus z equals to 180. Here these angles are opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral ACDB. So we know opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Now we separate here z, so y goes to RHS, then it is subtracted from 180. Now from equation 1 and 2, we see both RHS are equal, so their LHS should be equal, so x equal to z. Now in triangle PAC and triangle PDB, we draw these two triangles separately. How? Here angle P is common, so we put angle P in left side. And which angles are equal? X equals to z, so x is here A, top corner, so here z also be put top corner, and z is angle D, so D is here. Now what is left? Point B, B goes to here. Clear? Now angle P equals to angle P common. Clear? This one is common. And angle A equals to angle D, angle A this one equals to angle D this one, so A is x and it is z. Here we wrote here from equation 1 and 2, x equals to z. Clear? Both RHS are equal, so their LHS should be equal. Now triangle PAC similar to triangle PDB, these are similar by double A, angle similarity. Now we can write CPST, corresponding parts of similar triangles. So the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. So PA upon PD, this one PA upon PD equals to PC, this one base upon PB. Now cross multiply, so PA into PB equals to PC into PD. Now move to question number 9. So ninth question is, it is the converse of first question. In the given figure, D is a point on the side BC of triangle ABC such that BD upon CD equals to AB upon AC. It is given. Prove that AD is the bisector of angle BAC. जो AD है वो इस BAC का bisector होगा, प्रूव करना है. Clear? So here again we draw line CE parallel to DA. Here we draw CE parallel to DA to meet BA produced at E. BA को produce करने पे E पे मिल रही है. Clear? Then so now in triangle BCE, whole triangle DA parallel to CE by construction, then by BPT, BD upon CD, BD this one upon CD equals to AB upon AE by BPT. Now it is given that BD upon CD equals to AB upon AC, equation 2 given. So from 1 and 2 both LHS are equal, that means both RHS should be equal. AB upon A equals to AB upon AC. We cross cancel, AB cancel, so cross multiplying AC equals to AE, or we can write AE upon AC, no problem. So AC equal to AE. Now see the triangle ACE, ACE में AC equals to AE given है, that means their opposite angles are equal. So angle AEC equals to angle ACE, angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Now since DA parallel to CE, the line DA है that is parallel to CE. Now we can write angle AEC equals to angle BAD. Corresponding angles, angle AEC equals to angle BAD. This is by corresponding angles. And angle ACE equals to angle DAC. Angle ACE equals to angle DAC. This is by alternate interior angles. Now from equation 3, 4, 5, AEC and AC these are equal, and these are here in LHS, that means these two LHS are equal. So their RHS should be equal, that means angle BAD equals to angle DAC. And if these two angles are equal, that means AD is the bisector of angle BAC. Now move to question number 10. Question is very lengthy. So we write here, Nazima is fly fishing in a stream. The tip of her fishing rod is 1.8 meter above the surface. Surface से 1.8 meter above है of the water, and the fly at the end of the string rests on the water 3.6 meter away and 2.4 meter a point directly under the tip of the rod. टोटल डिस्टेंस कितनी है 3.6 मीटर और जहाँ पे टिप है उससे डायरेक्टली जो डिस्टेंस हॉरिजॉन्टल डिस्टेंस है दैट इज 2.4. सो दिस डिस्टेंस इज लेफ्ट 1.2 मीटर. क्लियर. Now from a point directly under the tip of the rod, assuming that her string from the tip of her rod to the fly is taut, tightly बंधी हुई है. How much string does she have out? कितनी string उसके पास बाहर है. मीन्स हमें फाइंड करना है AC. क्लियर, ये फाइंड करना है. Now if she pulls the string at the rate of 5 cm per second, now अगर वो इस string को यहाँ से पुल कर रही है, खींच रही है 5 cm per second, what will be the horizontal distance of the fly from her after 12 सेकेंड. 12 सेकेंड के बाद नाजिमा के पास से वो डिस्टेंस हॉरिजॉन्टल कितनी होगी. तो जो 12 सेकेंड में वो लेंथ खींचेगी तो रॉड जो ये डिस्टेंस है स्ट्रिंग ये कम होगी ना. मीन्स कहीं ना कहीं यहाँ आ जाएगा. मान लो अगर यहाँ आ गया तो डी यहाँ हो गया, ये पॉइंट आ जाएगा परपेंडिकुलर. तो हमें ये टोटल डिस्टेंस फाइंड करनी है. क्लियर. फॉर दिस वी ड्रॉ फर्स्टली ट्राइंगल ABC. दिस वन ट्राइंगल वी ड्रॉ. सो हियर दिस वन ट्राइंगल ABC. It is 1.8 meter, it is 2.4 meter. Now in right triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square, that is AC square, equals to perpendicular square, that is AB square, plus base square, that is BC square. Now here put the value. So AB is 1.8, its square, plus BC, that is 2.4, its square. 1.8 square is 3.24 and 2.4 square is 5.76. On adding we get 9. So AC square equal to 9, that means AC equals to root of 9, which is 3 meter. Now AC, this distance is 3 meter. Now so Nazima has 3 meter string out of her water from the tip of the rod. First part complete हो गया. Now for second part, speed of pulling the string is 5 cm per second and the time is given 12 seconds. So length of string pulled, that is length means distance, that is speed into time. Speed is 5 into time is 12 and unit is centimeter. Now 12 5 is 60 centimeter. Now convert into meter, so divide by 100. 1 0 is cancelled, 6 upon 10, that means we can write 0.6 meter. So after pulling the string for 12 seconds, the remaining length of the string out of the water from the tip of the rod is 3 minus 0.6. 3 में से 0.6 माइनस हो जाएगा. मान लो ये 0.6 मीटर कम हो जाएगा. जब ये स्ट्रिंग कम होगी तो डायग्राम चाहो तो आप यहाँ डी मान लो या फिर आप चाहो तो यहाँ मान लो डी. ठीक है, ऐसे मान लो. बल्कि वो रहेगा वाटर में ही, इसलिए क्या करना है इसकी पोजीशन इधर लेफ्ट शिफ्ट कर दिया. ठीक है, वरना ऊपर ले लेंगे तो वाटर नहीं होगा. वाटर तो यहाँ तक है. ठीक है, सरफेस तक. Clear. So now 3 minus 0.6, that will be 2.4 meter. So we assume this point D. Now DB, that is we have to find horizontal distance, and AD is 2.4 meter. Now in right angle triangle ABD, so we redraw this triangle again. So AB is 1.8, AD is 2.4 meter. Then we are finding BD by Pythagoras theorem. So AD square equals to this one, AD square equals to AB square, this one 1.8 square plus BD square we have to find. 2.4 square, that is 5.76, 1.8 square is 3.24 plus BD square. 3.24 transfer to RHS, so it will be subtracted. Now we will get on subtracting 2.52. Now BD equals to square root of 2.52 and we can find it by division method. Clear? So it is 2.52 का root क्या हुआ 1.59 meter. So the horizontal distance of the fly from Nazima after 12 seconds, BD plus horizontal distance between point B and Nazima. That means here, see, point B this one and Nazima this one. So horizontal distance is 1.2 meter because total distance is given 3.6 meter and this one BC is given 2.4. So on subtracting we will get 1.2 meter. So we have to add this one 1.2 meter plus BD we found. For example, here we found point D. Clear? This one point D. Here we assume the point D and we joining that. Clear? So we have to find DP find करना है. So that is 1.59 plus 1.2. On adding we will get 2.79 meter. Clear? This